factorize the following expression. So we have 4 terms. If we have 4 terms like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, we use the grouping method. Alright, so we need to group 2 terms at a time. So these are the 2 terms, last 2 terms here. So the first 2 terms, just ensure that you can factorize something out here. Indeed, you can take out a p. Last 2 terms, you can also take out a q. Alright, just need to ensure that you are able to factorize at least 1 pair of terms. In this case, you have 2 pairs, that's even better. Okay, so take out a p from the first pair, you have p minus 3. Take out a q from the second pair, you have p minus 3 as well. And what's common in these 2 chunk of terms, chunk 1 and chunk 2, is the p minus 3. So take it out, factorize that out, and you'll have p plus q as your remaining items. This is your final answer.